In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snowflake Time Travel. Snowflake's Time Travel feature is a powerful tool that lets you explore or recover data from a previous state without hassle. Whether you're looking to retrieve accidentally deleted data or review a historical dataset snapshot, Time Travel has you covered. Let's dive into it and make sure you understand how this feature works and how to make it work for you. First, let's explore the basic idea behind time travel. Essentially, it allows you to query historical data by using specific commands. This functionality is like hopping into a time machine to access data as it was at a particular point in the past. With time travel, Snowflake stores historical data for a set period, and you can access or restore this data to make informed decisions or fix mistakes. The main way you can access this historical data is by using the AT or before clause in your queries, which specify the exact point in time you're interested in accessing. The AT clause is used when you have a precise timestamp in mind. If you know the exact time an incident occurred or the specific moment you're interested in, the AT clause will let you retrieve data from that precise point. On the other hand, the before clause is more versatile, allowing you to access data as it existed just before an event occurred. This is particularly helpful if you're not certain about the exact time something changed but want to view data before a known event. To implement this, start by considering the time when the data you're interested in was last correct. If you're recovering data that might have been overwritten or deleted, having a clear idea of when it happened will make your job much easier. For instance, if your team noticed an error yesterday at 3 p.m., using the before clause with yesterday's date and time just before 3 p.m. could quickly give you access to the unaltered data. Now, when constructing your query, choose either the AT or the before clause based on your specific needs. If using the AT clause, ensure you have the exact timestamp ready. You will append this clause to your select statement, specifying the snapshot of data you wish to access. For example, your query may look like select from your data table at timestamp EKI 2023 10/01 1500 shots. Alternatively, if you're opting for the before clause, your query might look slightly different, focusing on the data just before a significant timestamp. You might say something like, select from your data table before, timestamp ETC, 2023, 10/01, $1,500 to access the state before any changes that occurred after the given time. And there you have it. The basics of using Snowflake's time travel feature. By leveraging either the AT or before clause, you can effectively manage and access historical data, resolving data issues efficiently. Using this time travel capability, you can streamline your data management, making it a more robust and error-resistant process.